Care and cleanliness are very important during complete assembly and disassembly. We recommend having installation and disassembly of the spare part kit supervised by authorized ANDRITZ personnel. For assembly work, all new parts from the spare part kit must be used to ensure proper functioning of the mechanical seal. Place the mechanical seal on a clean and tidy work surface. Loosen set screws and, if applicable, counter nuts. Remove snap ring. Remove retaining ring. Remove centering clips by loosening screws. Disassemble gland upwards and thus separate from sleeve. Remove screw and flat gasket for additional temperature sensor. Now turn over the gland. Loosen screws, then remove locking ring and base bushing. Remove springs and, if applicable, pins. Remove seal face. Remove snap ring. Remove seal face. Clean all metal parts thoroughly. Conduct a visual check to make sure that the metal parts are not damaged. Place all parts in the spare part kit on a desk to obtain a better overview and check the scope of supply. Grease all O-rings in the spare part kit with silicone grease and remove the wax protection from the seal faces by hand. It is very important that you do not use a tool for this task. The springs may be dipped into suitable silicone grease for easier mounting. Insert springs and, if applicable, pins into seal gland and position stationary seal face with lightly greased O-ring. Make sure that the positions of the grooves in the seal face and the anti-rotating pins in the gland fit together. Clean the running surface of the seal face with a clean cellulose cloth and acetone or similar cleaning agent. Insert dynamic seal face with greased O-ring into the sleeve. Make sure that the positions of the grooves in the seal face and the drive pins in the sleeve fit together. Insert snap ring. Clean the running surface of the seal face with a clean cellulose cloth and acetone cleaning agent. Rotate sleeve and insert it into the seal gland. Ensure it is in the right position. Press the seal sleeve down carefully to check whether the anti-rotation pins are aligned correctly with the grooves in the seal faces. Take care to ensure there is no dirt between the seal faces. Rotate the assembly. Mount centering clips gradually and crosswise and secure with the appropriate screws. Position retaining ring and then secure the retaining ring with set screws and, if applicable, counter nuts. Insert snap ring to secure the retaining ring. Mount screw with flat gasket for additional temperature sensor. Now turn over the assembly. Insert base bushing as shown in the drawing. Then insert the locking ring and fasten the ring in place with screws. Secure screws with Loctite 241 or an equivalent glue to prevent them from loosening during operation. Insert all O-rings in sleeve and gland.